Hey everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to code in C++ today. Um, I'm using CodeBlocks on Ubuntu, and CodeBlocks works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. So it's a really good IDE. Makes things a lot easier. I know some people on Linux like to do it the old terminal way, and I do sometimes as well. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to just use an IDE. So with CodeBlocks, we're just gonna create a new project, and if I drag this window because I have two monitors, we're just going to do a empty project. Gotta drag this window open again, over again, and we're gonna just call it test. And I'm going to save it and let's see. Sorry about that. I'm going to save it in this folder and hit next and finish. Alright, so basically now we have a basic empty project with no settings whatsoever other than I don't even know, like basic compiler. I mean, it's just bare bones. So we're going to hit add files. I'm sorry. I haven't used CodeBlocks in a while, so give me 1 second. I think we're just going to hit this little button right here and say file. So we're just going to hit that little plus paper button, and we're going to do a empty file. Alright, and just next, check for both, so hit all, and we're just going to call this main.cpp. Oh, I'm sorry, you have to actually designate the path, so as you can see it's already in my test folder. Just hit save and finish. Alright, so now we have a very basic program, and let me just show you how to work CodeBlocks for this tutorial. So if we go to editor, and let me drag this over again, let's just go to general settings and see where it says font. This is sample text. It's kind of small. I don't know, for me it's kind of small, so it's font 8, so I'm just gonna bump it up to 10 or 12, probably 10. Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, and then you hit OK at the bottom. I couldn't see it in the screen, so alright. So now we have that, and let's I guess get started with coding. So basically, first thing we do is we're going to type include IOStream, and basically this is called a preprocessor directive or something. I call it just an include, because it basically means you're including the IOStream library, which is built into the compiler. A little bit of background on that: the compiler is what translates your code into binary or assembly, and then from there to binary. So this is just a library that's built into it, and it'll allow us to do some cool things later on. So we're just going to have that in there for now, and let's hit enter 2 times. And this is where our program starts. It's going to be inside of a function basically, but this function is called int main, and 2 parentheses. Now, int main is where your program starts and runs. You can have multiple files, and we'll get into them much later, but int main is where it all begins. It's the core of your program base, usually, I should say. But yeah, I'm just debating whether I should explain this or not. I guess I will. Now when it has int, that's its return type. So that means it has to return an integer. And for int main, it's always going to return 0. Unless an error happens, and it'll be like return 1 in your down here in the build log or debugger or something. So that's basically this tutorial. Nothing to it yet. I just wanted to kind of show you how to, get CodeBlocks, sort of. I mean, I kind of just said go get CodeBlocks. It's at codeblocks.org. I'll include a link. But yeah, this is the basic program. I mean, we could run it, but it's not going to really do anything. See, 0 errors, 0 warnings. It does nothing. That's basically it. So I'll see you guys next time.